Hello there. Welcome to our online English class. Can you see me clearly? All right. Can you hear me well? Okay. Is my talking speed okay? Okay. That's nice. I am your teacher, Rachel. What is your name? Nice to meet you. So are you ready for our today's lesson? That's good to know. So let me share to you my screen for a moment. Okay. Can you see my screen now? Okay, that's nice. Do we have the same textbook? All right. So let's proceed now. So our lesson for today is on lesson 1. What do you want to do? Can you say it again? Good job. This week's phrase, I want to say it again. Okay, nice one. Let's learn new words. Choose the correct word that matches the picture. But before that, let's read each word, the vocabulary from number 1 to 4. Okay? All right, so let's go for number 1. Okay, so A, play. Can you say it again? Okay. B, sing. All right. Good job. Number 2, A, eat. Very good. B, make. Okay, nice one. So let's proceed with number 3. A, dance. Very good. B, sing. All right. Nice one. So let's proceed with number 4. A, eat. Okay. And B, dance. Amazing. Thank you so much. So let's proceed with the activity now. Let's choose the correct word that matches the picture, okay? So let's go for number 1. What they are doing. What did you see? Is it A, play, or B, sing? All right, it's A, play. Very good. How let's proceed with number 2. What the man doing? Is it A, make, or is it A or eat, or B or make? Okay, it's A, eat. Nice one. How about number 3? Let's go for number 3. What they are doing? Is it A, dance, or B, sing? Sing. All right. Good job. Let's proceed with number 4. What they are doing. Is it A, eat, or B, dance? All right. You are very good. You answered correctly in the activity. And by the way, I am sorry, but it is already time. But I am happy meeting you today, and you tried your best to express yourself by speaking English. Good job for that. See you again soon. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.